Do you want to learn how you can track your orders from Shein? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can track your Shein order. Open the Shein which is in your phone. Now click on Me which is in the bottom of your screen, and then you can see that in the section of My Orders, you can track the order. If it is shipped, it will be in shipped. If it's in processing, it will be in processing, and likewise. So, by simply going in the Me section and clicking on My Orders, you can track exactly where your product has been or where it is. So this is how you track your order in Shein. Go to My Orders and then you can tap on Shipped, Review, Returns, and then check where your product is. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.